front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for a location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned white. That means the location is now off. To turn it on, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to find Location section over here. Then use this switcher to activate it or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!